Welcome to day 39 of our Python Coding Challenge series. In this video, we'll tackle an exciting coding problem, writing a Python program to print an alphabetic triangle up to a given number of rows. You'll learn how to use Python's loops and string manipulation to generate the desired output efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, this challenge will help you sharpen your Python skills and expand your problem-solving abilities. Input. The input will be a single line containing a positive integer, m output. The output should be m rows with letters. Note, there is a space after each letter. Sample input and output are also be given for your reference. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily coding challenges, tutorials, and tips to help you master Python programming. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful and share it with your friends to spread the knowledge. Join our community of Python enthusiasts and let's grow together in our coding.